Hey there, Michael from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you, a game changer in the world of fiber optic testing, the OTDR-1500. This perfect all-in-one handheld device evaluates fiber to the X networks for accessing network construction and maintenance, identifying fiber breakpoints, measuring cable length, and calculating relative optical power losses. Included with the OTDR-1500 is 5 different functions for testing: the OTDR module, the light source module, the visual fault locator module, the power meter module, and the help module. A large 7-inch color LCD touchscreen for easy evaluating, rubberized hard plastic case for extra durability, FC and SC APC OTDR adapters, as well as an LC UPC adapter for the OPM and VFL modules. It also features a handy stylus to keep the touchscreen free of fingerprints. And one last thing, we include a certificate of calibration with every OTDR-1500 that certifies accuracy for a whole year. Fiber optic networks are the backbone of modern communication, and ensuring their performance and reliability is crucial. Diagnosing and troubleshooting issues in these networks can be a real challenge without the right tools. Whether you're a telecom engineer, a network tech, or an installer, having reliable and accurate test equipment is essential, which is why I recommend using the OTDR-1500.